Hello, welcome back channel.
Welcome back to my channel everyone. I'm Ananya and you are watching me on Ananya The Super Woman vlog. The dream is loading. To chase my dream, this is the GoPro journey has been started. At Chromo Store Rajahat, we pre-booked our GoPro Hero 13, which is just launched on 11th of September 2024 in India. So this is my first purchase of GoPro Hero from the store. This is the Creator Edition. I can't believe that with the help of this YouTube, I can achieve my success to 100k fam, and to celebrate this occasion, I just decide to grab this Hero 13 to upgrade myself for this vlogging. So let's get started. With this Creator combo pack, we are getting lots of accessories and an amazing gimbal. So I hope this unboxing video gives you a quite amazing vibes, and it's really a dreams come true moment for us. Thanks for subscribing my channel and staying with Ananya The Super Woman family. I hope you are enjoying our videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more adventures which is coming soon. And if you want the full unboxing video, please comment. I will give you all the details in my vlog. So let me show you the attachments from the store, and after I'm going home I will give you the details vlog. Mr. Sanjeev from Chromo Store assisting us for this assembling the different parts of the GoPro, and he is truly knowledgeable and professional. I just like to thank Mr. Shubhodip, our salesperson, and Mr. Shonjit from the Chromo Store Rajahat. This is not a sponsored video. This is my first purchase with the first payment from YouTube, and all of you want to know about that how much I received on my first payment. I can't give you the exact details, but I can assure you by this I can purchase this GoPro 13 Hero Black Creator Edition. I'm ready to explore the different parts of the world with my GoPro Hero 13 Black. I call this Lucky 13. And what's else? If you like this vlog, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's experience through my lens to the beautiful places of the world. I welcome you to join my family and explore together. So let's fasten your seatbelt and let's discover the beautiful places with Ananya the Super Woman family. Thank you so much. I once again am giving you lots of love and gratitude to everyone. I am really very grateful for this amazing journey with you, my family. And don't forget to subscribe our new channel Shubham Safarnama.